If you want to do the first time setup of the Galaxy A17, so in this video I will show you the step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, on this page, just tap on the drop-down arrow over here. And from this menu, just select your language. After that, just tap on OK and tap on Start. Select Agree to All and tap on Agree. From here, just tap on Setup manually. Now from here, just connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi network. After you enter the Wi-Fi password, then tap on Connect. Tap on Next. Now if you want to copy your apps and data from your Google account, just tap on Next. Otherwise, you can select Do Not Copy. Now to sign into your Gmail account, just enter your Gmail account in this section, or you can skip this step. Now for example, I will enter my Gmail account. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now just enter the password of your Gmail address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Select I'll be using this device, then tap on Next. Select I agree. Now if you want to set a lock screen PIN, a password or a pattern, you can do it from here. Or you can skip this step. Select Skip Anyway. Now just tap on More, then tap on Accept. If you want to turn on backup, you can tap on Turn on Backup, or you can select Do Not Backup. Tap on More, then tap on Continue. Now if you want to enable Hey Google on your Samsung phone, just select Turn On, or you can select No Thanks. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can do it from here, and if you want to do it later, you can select Forgot Password or Do Not Have an Account, then tap on Setup Later in Settings. Tap on Skip and select All. Then tap on Agree. Tap on Agree. Now just select your display mode. You have the option of light and you also have the option of dark mode. I will select light mode, then tap on Next. Tap on Next. And as you can see, you're all set up. Now tap on Home to go to the home screen. And this is how you can do the first time setup on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.